And you know, many people do not.
Kwegusia kwa maribi ma origiti mutaratara-ini wa tene wa NHIF riu kuonekete kugumira mubango mweru wa SHA undu uria wiyumiritie bindi ya giikaro gia kamiti ya ugima wa mwiri ya bunge kuria murugamiriri munene wa SHA Dagitari Robert Ngasira aremeto ni kuthathaura uria nginyagia riu mathire ma NHIF matire maribo.
If somebody now goes to the facility which is being referred and is being asked to make other payments, then we are frustrating the referral system. It will not work.
The remaining claims that are awaiting filing of service delivery returns from facilities are undergoing reconciliation, and payment process will be done immediately.
3.9 billion is the total value of the claims that have since been put together for all claimants before April 2021.
Ngasira atumurite marakara ma abunge thutha wa kuuga ati kigina kia NHIF kiaribagira aruti a wira a mũingĩ maribi ma urigiti ugutari maratathi ma kuonanio guo.
1,000 for a household for optical services for a whole year. Sure, that's not it's not realistic.
And Mr. Chairman,
we are doing this service to the public.
And Mr. Chairman, and Chair. Sorry. And for dental, you are actually paying 2,000 per year per household. You are only encouraging the extraction of teeth, which is criminal according to the WHO Oral Health Charter.
There was no formal contract. There were instructions from the then Cabinet Secretary that NHIF receives the claims, validates them, puts them together as we await funding.
Ibida-ini o riu kiama kia mawakiri gia kĩmabũrũri ICJ nikirutite mubango wa SHA mabitia gikiuga a Kenya gutire bindi makamukira utungata wa urigiti o ta uria kubatie na ta uria meriro amu SHA ndiraruta wira.
And no matter how much you want to collect from these people, that money is not going to be enough. And the government itself is not giving in enough to the other two funds that it's supposed to take care of.
Ugukinyira riu no andu milioni 4 gatagati-ini ka andu milioni 18 aria meyandikithitie na SHA aria mararibira motungata maya. Ngeribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Masi wa Ndia wa Mũrĩithi.
Naumia na magonjwa.